Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I am at Anfield for another Anfield Road development update. I know I only done it a couple of days ago, but this is the last day of my challenge. So I'm putting out two videos today. I've been down to Bramley Moor, I've done a Bramley Moor one to make the Everton fans happy, and now I'm doing Anfield to make Liverpool fans happy. Okay. Yeah, so what I've noticed was just here the other day. That corner went in, was it? Like that? What was it? I don't think it was. So yeah, I think that's new. What is it? I can't remember. There's murder here. There's 3 crows. But I've done little joke there. Any more than 2 crows is called a murder. Right, anyway, back to the video. Or was it? Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, this is day 30 of my challenge. So I didn't put a video out yesterday because I was putting 2 out today. I know it's a little bit of cheat, but I did say I'm going to put 30 videos out in 30 days, and I think I've done a little bit more because there's one day when I put 3 videos out. Oh. Yeah, I think I've put more than 30 videos out in 30 days. But it's all in aid of grassroots football. Let's just get a little bit higher, so I am above the crane, so I'll go a little bit higher. Yeah, it's all in support of grassroots football, so everything I've earned this month I'll be getting donated to grassroots football next season. So it's going to go into a little bank account, and it'll stay there until I can help someone out with kits or league fees or whatever. Okay, either tomorrow or the next day, so possibly 2 days. It'll probably be 2 days time. I'm going to put another video out. It's going to be a combined Liverpool and Everton video, so it's going to please both sets of fans. So please watch it and find out what he earns to donate. It's been tough, not going to lie. It's been hard work, but yeah, it's worth it, you know, because it's going to run out now. I've definitely got money to donate. That's all I'm happy about. I could have fell flat on my face and not earned a penny, you know what I mean? So I didn't. So I'm going to come over here and going to have a look at the Shankly gates, because there was obviously stuff going on down here that I didn't cover the other day. And yeah, all the walls been knocked down around it. So a little zoom in there, have a good look. Okay. Oh yeah, if you hear me blowing, it is absolutely freezing. My hands are like blocks of ice at the moment. But I have to get out and get this video done. Now I can pick and choose when I want to come out. Now I don't have to get out every day and make videos. But yeah, there's going to be a little bit of news what I'm going to do going forward as well, in regards to, you know, helping out where I can and when I can. Let's fly down here, have a look. Yeah, it's so I'll probably have a break tomorrow and then put my video out about what I've earned on Friday. So today's Wednesday, yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to waffle on a bit about this. So if I see anything of interest, I will zoom in post-processing. So I'm not going to talk about it. I'm not going to cover any comments either today, because I'm just happy to be at the end of my challenge. Yeah, so the video in a couple of days' time is going to be about Liverpool and Everton. That'll be filmed from Stanley Park, so make of that what you will, and you can try and guess if you want what I'm going to do. But yeah, that'll be a little bit of interest. If it's a bit windy on the microphone, I do apologise. It is a little bit windy, proper chill in the air. So everyone that's watched the videos, you know what, thank you very much for watching my videos and helping me earn this money. It's not costing you a penny. not costing me a penny, it's costing me time, that's all. And then the money comes in from ad revenue. So yeah, thank you for watching the videos. That's it, it'd be great to make a living out of this, but when you see what I've earned, you're going to see how much hard work you'd have to put in, how many subscribers you need, how many views you're going to need to make a decent living out of it, okay? At the moment, it's not. It's just a bit of a little bit of a hobby, a little bit of pocket money at the moment. I'm just really pleased with the end of it now. Because the times when I felt like I didn't want to go out, and I thought I've got to go out because I'm letting you know, football teams down that could benefit from the money of me going out. Don't get me wrong, some videos have only earned, you know, pennies, literally. some videos have earned a bit more. I say you'll know more in a couple of days' time when I put the figures out. It's going to be short and sweet, this video. So that's a good look around the ground. I've hit on the Shankly gates, and I'll be addressing comments. My next one probably around Sunday, Monday. Okay. I'm not going to mention the comments because I want to make it more about the end of my challenge and how happy I am about it. Because that first one I thought to do, I thought, yeah, I'd do that easy, 30 days, it's only a month. But when you got, you know, a life to live, work, a job to do, university, and I've got, oh yeah, university, don't get me going. So my first semester finishes 2 weeks today. Was it? No, it's a week today. No, it's not. It's 2 weeks today finishes. But I've got to have all my assignments in next Friday for this first semester. So yeah, the pressure's on a little bit because I haven't got it all completed yet. Because it isn't just like getting a few photographs in like you'd think for a digital. Put my teeth back in. Digital imaging and photography degree. It's there's a lot more to it. You know, you've got to be able to express yourself in the photographs. You've got to tell stories in the photographs that you. Yeah, there's a lot more to it than I thought. But yeah, right guys, I'm going to end this here. Okay, it's in the sweet spot of around 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I will leave it there, and I'll see you again in a couple of days' time when I do my reveal of how much I earned in November. Okay, so again, thank you all very much. Stay safe and look after yourselves. Sorry, back to the video. I just wanted to. This is how cold it is and how much the mist is in the air. So this is looking around Liverpool now from the air in the mist. Okay, so somewhere in the background there will be Bramley Moor and the docks, the city centre. Probably see a little bit more when I get into post-processing, but as you can see, it's very misty around. Don't want to say it's foggy because it's not really a fog, it's more of a mist. I can't feel my fingers now. Struggling to talk with how cold I am. Whew, can't wait to get back in this car. Look at that. Stanley Park. Right, again, thanks for watching everyone, and I'll speak to you all soon.